let's go. This is a must-see. This is a must-see. Fucking advertisements, bro. What the fuck is this?
Kept changing.
Alright.
Cheese stayed the same. Then along came Luna. Soft, creamy, rich in protein, with luscious fruit. It's the way to eat delicious
Shut up,
today.
everything.
Whether you're running or running a meeting. Introducing Luna Cottage Cheese, the new way to cottage.
Alright, what's going on, YouTube? It's Ryan Reacts here, and today I'm going to be reacting, and this is my first ever video on YouTube, so I'm just welcoming you all to my channel, and thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. And this is the weirdest thing I've ever seen in my life. And like, I literally just saw this video, I'm like, I gotta watch this. 12-year-old sneezes 12,000 times per day. I don't know if that's clickbait or if she sneezes like 150 times a day and they say 12,000 times. Oh my god, that's like fucking ridiculous. Like, Jesus. Oh, my bad, guys, my bad. I gotta turn the fucking volume.
1,000 times per day. Gio Benitez has her story for us.
What the fuck is that?
For 12-year-old Kate.
She's on this is a super good swing. Oh my god. She's just at peace. Just goes.
This sound has become painfully familiar. 3 weeks ago, Caitlin began sneezing, and she hasn't stopped.
I was walking out of a clarinet lesson. All of a sudden, it kind of started and
just out of the while they're in an interview, she sneezes. Like, oh my god.
it was like just a few sneezes.
What's going on in her nostrils?
By the time
Like,
I went to bed, I had sneezed
Jesus
30 times.
Christ.
Caitlin now averaging about 20 sneezes per minute.
I can
Could you
control
imagine?
it sometimes, but it's really painful.
And so far,
It's better than hiccuping.
Children's Hospital in Houston
Like, if you were hiccuping 12,000 times per day, I'd kill myself.
causing the uncontrollable sneezing, referring to the condition as a tick.
She had kind of a funny feeling that she describes in her nose, and that
Jesus.
her history is very common for ticks.
It's not the first time doctors have seen bizarre cases like this. In fact, some believe ticks may be triggered in the brain by something stressing the child out. 10% of all kids are affected by ticks.
What the fuck are ticks?
And can't really do anything normal. Can't eat well. Has to sip. She can't drink.
Man, that
it's affected
sucks.
I mean, she had an episode yesterday where it was...
Well, the guy even said that it's been 3 weeks. It's only been 3 weeks. It hasn't been her entire life.
Screaming in pain.
I think. So, like,
And
I don't feel that bad for her because it's only been 3 weeks.
hold her tight and...
If it was like, if she had this for the rest of her life, that'd suck.
Just wants to get back to 7th grade.
This has taken a huge toll on my life.
That is freaking weird.
I want nothing more than for this to end.
Jesus.
I want it to be gone for good.
So hard for her to
She
do that.
can't even say a
And she
sentence.
can't go to school. The sneezing is just too distracting. She can't be on the swim team. She can't play her clarinet. And just think about this.
Wow.
She can't even sleep. The sneezes just wake her up.
What? She can't even sleep? Oh my god. That's absolutely ridiculous. Sorry for the shit quality. What the fuck's going on with this, bro? Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and peace. What?
I was just telling you Brian's going to bed. Sean's going to bed.
Cool. Thank you for telling me.
Voice down, okay?
Thank you.
brave of her though to go out and talk about it because that has to be such a really hoping.
That's going on my YouTube channel, bro.